All right, DIYers. We are going to replace the thermostat. 10 millimeter bolt. So the thermostat that I bought to replace this one is 10 millimeter. It's one piece. So I'm not gonna have to take it apart, which is good. So this is a 10 millimeter on the bolts. Okay, let's see. Let's get this hose off. Let me adjust my camera. Okay. I might have to get my 45 degree. Yeah. Okay, here we go. This will be better. To grab it, these would be much better. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, got that up. So let's see how that holds. Let me get this other one here on the bottom. Cool. Okay. So all the videos I've watched, it's shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna take the bolts off now, and then I'll try to unscrew. I'll try to loosen the hoses from there. Let me take the bolts out. Or let me see. How do I want to do this? Try to loosen the hose. Let's see. Okay. Try these needle nose. Grab holes, and then just hopefully I could just pull it off. Yep, sweet, that just came right up. Okay, nice. Okay, let's see if this one's a little bit bigger though. It's probably not going to be as easy. Let's see what we got. See if I can even grab it around. Try to loosen it. So what I'm trying to do is just loosen it. That's loosening. Okay. Go up a little bit higher. It's definitely loosening though. Let me see. Okay, let me go try this way. I'm just so close to my radiator, I don't want to damage it. And it looks like I hit it a couple times already. So I gotta watch that. I need my radiator to work for me at least until next June. Next summer when I'm gonna get it fixed. Or not fixed, I'm gonna get it replaced. Okay, I got that one hose off, so let me take it out and then I'll try to get the bottom hose out from there. Okay, I'm not gonna take that out. Let me take out that bottom bolt. I think there's only 2 bolts. Let me see. I believe there are. I only felt a second one back there. That's all I felt. So. Okay, let me try this again. Well, the good thing is it's a this is magnetized. Right here, this is magnetized, so I had it on the bolt. It's a pretty long extension, so let me try to get it back on there again. I should be able to pull it off. Let me see. Okay, where is it? It's right. Okay, it's right there. It's gonna be a little tricky. I got enough room though, so I just gotta get it in there. Let me find it. Let's see. Okay, there it is. I think that's it. Let me see. Nope, it's gonna be a little tricky. Let's see. I need that extension though. 10 millimeter. Let me try a little. I got an extension. Let me try something different. Alrighty, let's see. Should be able to get this on now because I got a shorter extension. And I believe it's right. Is that it up there? Let me see. Try to get it on there from here, and then I'll attach my ratchet to it. Okay, I think that's it. Let me see. Damn it. Okay, I'm gonna get it from the bottom instead of the top here. Scoot up just a little bit. Okay. I think I'm gonna get it from the bottom. Let's see. I think that's it. Yep. Boy, these screws be so tight. Goodness. It's crazy. Okay. It's unscrewing. It's definitely unscrewing. Let's see how much more I got. Okay. All right. That's one of the screws, or one of the bolts. It's one of the bolts. Okay, it should be only two, I think. I don't think there's a third one. We're about to find out. I don't believe there's a third bolt, but we're about to find out once I take this one off. If there's a third one, it's going to be on the bottom. So, Let's see. Okay, it's the second one. All right, let's see if I can pull this off. Nope, there's the third one. There's got to be. Because that is not moving. So, let me see. Okay, so is this one? Let me see. Let me go underneath. See, so 1, 2. I think this is the third bolt right here. Let me go under and check it. Okay, third bolt. That should almost be off. Let me see. I'm able to unscrew it. A little bit at a time. Okay, yep, that was the third one. Okay, let's see. Okay. So let me get that bottom hose off first before I should be able to pull it straight down after that. I gotta get that bottom hose off though. Okay. Let's see if I can get this off. Let me see, is that? Let's see. Okay, I'm ending up having to take my thermostat apart in order for me to get it off the hose. So didn't want to do this, but I don't have a choice. So let me get it off. I'll be back. Okay, I got the thermostat part out. That was a little rough. So there it is. Took it out of the hose here. So I'm gonna release this other bottom part, and then I'll be able to replace the whole thing, because the one I got is a whole piece, whole thermostat. So let me get this out. And go longer. And this part, I should be able to pull it out. It should come straight down. We should be good. Let's see. Okay. All right, let's see, this should come straight down. I know there's not another one on there, is there? Let's see, 1, 2, 3. This should just come straight down. Make sure, let me see, I don't. I don't think there's another bolt. At least I'm hoping there's not another bolt. Let me see. Okay, DIYers, I finally got it off. What I had to do, because I'm replacing it, so I had to use my wire cutters, and I had to break it in order to get it off, because it wasn't this. I was trying, it wouldn't come off, so I end up just taking my wire cutters and cracking it just like that down the middle, and it came off. So I got a new one. This one, I don't know how old it is. Doesn't look, I don't know how old it is. It doesn't look that bad. Made in Japan. So obviously it's probably, I don't think it's the original, but it was made in Japan. So I'm replacing it with a brand new one, and that's what happened. So I have to get this cleaned up. I got my O-ring on here. I'm gonna take that off, clean it up, put it back on, and then we'll put the new one on. Okay. Like I said, I had to break it. I didn't want to, but it didn't leave me a choice. So